video demonstrates how Bob Cruz, the BCM administrator, configures the BIA to identify a process's recovery timeframes, tiers, and categories. Bob Cruz, the BCM administrator, logs into his ServiceNow instance. He should create recovery timeframes for immediately and 1 hour. These timeframes will be used to determine the impacts and criticality of assets when performing a BIA. In the Filter Navigator, he selects All and navigates to recovery timeframes. He then selects New. He fills in the form for the recovery timeframe as immediately with 1 second. He then submits the form and returns to the recovery timeframes list. Similarly, he completes the form for a recovery timeframe of 1 hour. The records for 1 hour and immediately are now available in the recovery timeframes list. Next, Bob should create mission-critical and business-critical recovery tiers. These tiers will be used to group the recently created recovery timeframes to assist with asset prioritization and planning. From the All menu, Bob navigates to the Recovery Tiers module. He then selects New. He completes the form for the Mission Critical Recovery tier. He then submits the form and returns to the Recovery Tiers list. Similarly, he completes the form for the Business Critical Recovery tier. The records for Mission Critical and Business Critical tiers are now available in the Recovery Tiers list. Next, Bob should create an impact category for revenue impact. This will help to determine the RTO and recovery tier values during the BIA process. To create an RTO impact category, Bob navigates to the Impact Categories module. He then selects New. In the form, he fills in the values for the name, contributes to, and applicable timeframes. Next, he fills in the maximum RTO value and description fields. Please note that the helper text may be used to customize the text displayed for the impact category within a BIA. He then saves the form. The Impact Ratings related list is now displayed. Next, Bob should create impact ratings of low, moderate, and high for the revenue impact category. These ratings will help users to assess the impact while completing the BIA. In the Impact Ratings related list, Bob selects New. He then completes the form for the low impact rating. He defines the value as 1 and identifies the impact as tolerable. He fills the description as a disruption results in limited revenue loss of $100,000 or less. The question text field may be used to customize the text displayed for an impact rating within a BIA. He then submits the form and returns to the Impact Ratings related list. Similarly, he completes the form for Moderate Impact Rating. He assigns the value as 2 and the impact as tolerable. He updates the description as a disruption results in revenue loss of $100,000 to $1 million. He then submits the form and returns to the Impact Ratings related list. And finally, he completes the form for High Impact Rating. He assigns the value as 3. He leaves the tolerable field unchecked. He updates the description as a disruption results in a revenue loss of more than $1 million. He then submits the form. The records for low, moderate, and high are now displayed in the Impact Ratings Related list for the Revenue Impact category. He then selects Update in the header to return to the Impact Categories list. The record for Revenue Impact is now displayed in the Impact Categories list. Next, Bob should associate the recovery timeframes created earlier with the existing impact categories. He selects Legal Impact from the Impact Categories list. Under applicable timeframes, he adds 1 hour and immediately. He then updates the form and returns to the Impact Categories list. Similarly, he adds the recovery timeframes of 1 hour and immediately to the Regulatory, Reputation, and Workforce Impact categories. Next, Bob should create an impact category for data value. This will be used to determine the RPO and recovery tier values during the BIA process. Bob selects New to create an impact category for data value. In the form he fills in the name, selects Recovery Point Objective for the Contributes To field, and adds the description. Please note that the helper text may be used to customize the text displayed for the impact category within a BIA. He then saves the changes. A related list for impact analysis questions is now displayed. To create the related impact analysis question, Bob selects New. He creates a new question. What is the value of the data? He updates the order and description. He then saves the changes. A related list for impact ratings is now displayed. Next, to create a related impact rating, Bob selects New under the Impact Ratings Related list. He fills out the form for the low impact rating. He then submits the form. He then continues to create impact ratings for medium and high. The impact ratings of low, medium, and high are now displayed in the Impact Ratings Related list. He selects Update and returns to the Impact Category record. The data value question is displayed in the Impact Analysis Related list. He selects Update again to return to the Impact Categories list. The record for data value is now displayed in the Impact Categories list. Next, Bob should build a BIA template for the Data Center Analysis BIA. he adds the element definitions, impact categories, etc. This template will ensure consistency and alignment with corporate policies and procedures. To create the template, he navigates to BIA Templates and selects New. He fills out the form to create the Data Center Analysis template. He describes that the template should be used to complete the technology impact analysis on data centers. He adds data centers as the primary element assessed. For the impact category, he adds revenue impact, regulatory impact, reputation impact, data change frequency, and data value. He adds locations, hardware, vendors, and data centers for the dependency assessment. He selects Yes to include the CIA. He then saves the changes. A related list for score timeframe mappings is now displayed. Next, Bob should add score timeframe mappings. These score timeframe mappings allow the system to calculate the RPO for the impact assessment result based on the maximum category score across all impacted categories. He selects New to create a score timeframe mapping. In the form, he updates the lower threshold score as 0, the upper threshold score as 10, and the timeframe as 1 week. He then submits the form. Similarly, he adds 2 more mappings for timeframes of 24 hours and immediately. The records for immediately, 24 hours, and 1 week are now displayed in the score timeframe mappings related list. He then returns to the BIA templates list. The record for the Data Center Analysis template is now displayed in the BIA templates list.